Hi guys, welcome back here to another episode in Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're here with another episode with breaking news regarding the DJI Mavic 3. I know all of you have been wanting to hear from this drone, and we have all of that information for you guys today regarding the release date and what's been going on. But if you guys want to get an opportunity of winning a free DJI Mavic Air 2, make sure you subscribe to the channel and help us get to 1,000 subscribers before September 1st. If you're able to do so, then we're going to be giving away a Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So you guys don't want to miss out on this opportunity of winning a free Mavic Air 2, and as well you join the Drone Emotion family. So subscribe to the channel, it's free, it doesn't cost you anything, and it helps grow the drone community. So with that out of the way, I want to give a huge thanks to today's video sponsor, who is Heredia consulting firm. So if you guys need anything regarding tax, bookkeeping, payroll, financials, or business advice, they got you covered, guys. They are professionals at this. They've been doing this for a long time, so it's going to be the first link down in the comment section down below. So make sure you check them out, and in case you need anything, make sure you contact them. So with that out of the way, let's get started with today's video, guys, which is going to be a really exciting one. We have really fresh news coming today from Drone XL. So these news are a little bit disappointing. I'm sorry to tell you this, but that's my job. I'm here to tell you everything regarding the drone world. So let's get started with today's video, guys. So apparently it looks like the DJI Mavic 3 has been delayed once again, but this time it's not because the drone wasn't ready, but because for another reason. The reason is the following. So it looks like the DJI Mavic 3 will be delayed until Donald Trump, the president of the United States, is gone, says a source inside the DJI. This is the information we have received today from one of the sources that we've worked for a long time. Now let's talk a little more about what this means. So it looks like the DJI Mavic 3 is going to be delayed until Trump is gone. What does this mean? Well, let's talk more about it. So I know all of us were waiting for the arrival of the DJI Mavic 3 since January, but unfortunately that didn't happen. Then we had our hopes high for this summer for the Mavic 3 to come, but unfortunately it didn't happen. Then we had our eyes planted on November, but it looks like it's not gonna happen either. So let's look when we can expect this drone. So let's dive a little bit more into this. So however, based on the information we have received from a very high up within the Chinese DJI organization, that no longer seems to be the case, and we're going to be getting the Mavic 3 this year. I know, guys, it's disappointing, but that does mean we're probably still gonna get it. So we have been told that the DJI Mavic 3 will be delayed until Trump is gone. This means after he will have left the White House in January 2021, assuming that he loses the election, okay? If Trump wins the election, we don't know. So as you guys know, the United States is going to have elections this year coming up in November. So this might be an important step towards DJI. So it looks like if DJI loses the elections, it looks like we're going to be getting the DJI Mavic 3. But if he loses, we still don't know what's going to happen. So it looks like this information came because of the following. So this unexpected decision to delay the launch of the DJI Mavic 3 was made last weekend after President Donald Trump announced that he will ban the popular app TikTok. Mr. Trump later adjusted this to he will ban TikTok as of September 15th if Microsoft or some other American company hasn't bought the Chinese app by then. These words from our president have had a significant effect on DJI. The Chinese drone maker does not want to create any more waves or even more demand for the products that they are probably going to release, because DJI is afraid of any potential restrictions or bans that the President of the United States might impose on them. Of course, recent new data regarding security issues on the DJI Go 4 app and the DJI Pilot app does not help this situation whatsoever. That's not something good. But besides the new DJI Mavic 3 drone delayed, it looked like we're still going to get new DJI products, okay? So it looks like we are still going to get the Osmo Mobile 4, and we're still going to get the DJI Ronin SC, okay? So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I know these are really disappointing news. We all wanted to see this drone this year, but it looks like it's not going to be happening. We have some more information regarding the DJI Mavic 3 coming in tomorrow's video. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and see you all in tomorrow's video.